Hi guys and gals, and welcome to Magic. My name is Thomas Hansen and I'm one of the magicians over at aista.com. And in this video I'm going to walk you through how you get started with Magic after you have initially created your first backend Cloudlets. So this feature is new as of this release that was released just today. And basically you see your dashboard here and you see little wizard basically guiding you through everything, and it's basically 5 clicks. You don't have to do anything. You click if you can click your mouse 5 times on the correct place in the screen, you have an Angular front-end full stack web application. So you can either connect your database, existing database, or you can install a plugin, a database here. I'm just going to install plugin database. I'm going to install SQL Chinook DB. This is an example database taken from, I think, Spotify or something, where you have like bands and music artists and songs and media format and revenue associations with them, etc., etc. So it's a good starting point for you to play around with Aista Magic Cloud. It takes some time to install because it's like several megabytes of data it needs to download and insert into your SQL database. However, when it is done, it looks like this. Now you see I don't even have to move my mouse. I can just click create endpoints, or I can go down and I can have a look at the visual schema of the database I just installed. And that's an interesting point of view. You can actually hop around in your schema and go from foreign key to the parent table. If I'm on track, for instance, I see media type here is a foreign key. I can just click it and it shows me the correct table. Now then you can click create endpoints and click to codify all tables. I'm not sure if that's click 3 or 4. However, here is the last click. Before you do, you can of course choose your colors. And as you can see here, by default, it uses the Chinook module, and it has by default given your app a name and chosen the Angular template. And here's the 5th click. And I'm done. And I can now go to hub.aista.com. I can sign in with the same username and password that I used to log into Magic. I can go to create Cloudlets and I can find the demo Angular Cloudlets here. And I can click create, and some 4 minutes later I have a complete front-end Angular web application. Three minutes later it's done. I can close this terminal window, I can click my Cloudlets, and I can access my front end here. Then of course I have to log in with the same username and password as I'm using in Hub by default. And here is my app. So basically 5 minutes is what it took me to create a full stack web app wrapping my database with every single CRUD operation that exists. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.